Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on ARK Innovation ETF, ticker symbol ARKK. For those new to the channel, I focus mainly on the potential traps laid out by the market makers and do not provide any buy or sell calls. Always remember the stock market is never obvious. It is designed to fool most of people most of the time. Without further ado, let's take a look at ARK. So in my previous video, I said that ARK was in a downtrend and because I was pretty bearish on Tesla, but Tesla actually had a good run, and hence we saw ARK going back up once again. So this 58 support was in fact a very strong one, and apparently we fell for the trap thinking that it would likely break down. And the very next 2 days, just 2 days later, it actually went back up again to clear this $58 critical support. So it seems like most people were being tricked here and they were being stop loss out. So yep, definitely the stock market is never obvious. So yep, learning from this point, I think it's always very difficult to tell, and it definitely takes some time to actually not be baited by this kind of traps. So moving forward, where exactly are my next resistance for ARK innovation? So you can see that there was a particular first wave up here. So this first wave was quite strong. You can see that we went from around 52 all the way up to around this price. This day high was around, say, 68.23. So that was the first wave up. So the second wave up, we may potentially see ARK climbing up further to around $78, $79 level. But before that, definitely we have to clear this resistance first. So all the psychological supports, psychological resistance upcoming will be like, say, for instance, 72. And we also have this resistance down here at around 75. And the last resistance to clear is around 77, 78, 79, around these levels here. So there's 3 upcoming resistance for Tesla. And of course, you can see that just yesterday, we actually hit the cloud. So the cloud act as a resistance. We may potentially see some pullback, and Tesla really had a very good run. So we may potentially see some pullback. Nevertheless, you can see that the MACD already cut up, and so far there's no signs of reversal yet. So to recap, 72, 75, 76, all of these are potential resistance for Tesla, ARK rather. And you can look at this in the event that we do break out of this, it may potentially be a fake breakout by the market makers. So you need to be very careful at this particular 78, 79 resistance level. If we do break out, there may be a potential trap by the market makers. Of course, all of these will be dependent on Tesla movements as well. Tesla went from a low of 700 and now it's currently trading about 1,100. So the momentum is still there. I don't think the market will crash. The market makers will crash Tesla so soon, because if it's bullish, then you'll continue to remain bullish until there's a clear sign of reversal patterns like the candlestick patterns, or even a potential reversal through distribution. So long as there is no signs of those, ARK can potentially trend up higher. Yeah, so if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe as you keep the channel intact. Leave a comment below on your thoughts, or if you have any other stock TA requests, till we meet again. Appreciate the manipulation.